Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello and welcome back to World 360. This week, a controversial piece of legislation re-entered the lower house of the British Parliament for scrutiny. And that bill has the power to affect 5.5 million British citizens, which is about 12% of the UK's total population. The legislation in question is the Nationality and Borders Bill, which refers to immigration and asylum. It was first proposed this year by UK Home Secretary Priti Patel, who is incidentally of Indian origin, and then this bill was updated in November. Patel, who has faced her own host of controversies such as allegedly bullying her own staff, has faced major heat for this bill, as has the Boris Johnson-led Conservative Party. Now, the Joint Council for Welfare of Immigrants, an international charity that provides information on immigration as well as offers free legal advice on immigration-related issues, accused Patel of playing political football with people's lives. Guardian columnist Zoe Williams and many others have described the bill as a statement of values in which some citizens are more British than others. Meanwhile, the Home Office has at times responded that citizenship is a privilege, not a right. So what's so controversial about this bill? First, Clause 9 of the legislation, titled Notice of Decision to Deprive a Person of Citizenship, can deprive a person of their citizenship without notice from the government. Now, why would the government want to strip someone of their citizenship? For two reasons. Mainly, if they pose a threat to the UK, or if they had obtained their citizenship fraudulently. For the first reason, it might be worth referring to the timeline of terror in the UK, primarily London, which dates back to 2005 and involves bombings, knife attacks, and even deliberate car crashes. However, critics say this bill removes citizenship, and that is already contentious, but scrapping the requirement of notice makes the Home Secretary's powers even more draconian. The UK has existing laws involving citizenship removal since 2002 that have been tweaked and changed, including the Immigration Act of 2014. But not informing someone that they are no longer a citizen hasn't quite cropped up until now. Meanwhile, the ruling party has argued that not telling a person their citizenship has been deprived will only happen in exceptional circumstances. In summation, this bill could affect any foreign-born British citizen. They can be made stateless even if they were born in the UK, so long as the British government believes they are eligible for citizenship of another country. According to the 2011 census by the New Statesman, 5.5 million people in England and Wales, plus about 500,000 born in the UK, will be affected. Now, there are also fears that this bill could diminish refugee protection. Earlier this month, two former detainees in Australia's notorious offshore immigration detention centres wrote to UK parliamentarians, asking them not to make the same mistake Australia did. One of the detainees was a Tamil refugee, Tanush Selvarasa, who is held in a detention centre near Australia for 7 years and is now a campaigner for asylum seekers' rights. Apart from Clause 9 of the UK bill, there is this other aspect of offshore detention centres for asylum seekers. Where might these centres be? Media reports say Ascension Island, an isolated volcanic island in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, and abandoned oil rigs could be potential destinations. Keep in mind that this bill was proposed by the UK Conservative Party, but former Conservative cabinet ministers have spoken out, with some saying it could create a British Guantanamo Bay. It's worth mentioning that Clause 9, the most recent addition to the bill, was made in the wake of the Shamima Begum case. Shamima Begum is a British-born woman who left the UK at the age of 15 to join the Islamic State, but in 2019 tried to return to the UK. However, in February this year, the UK Supreme Court said she will not be allowed to return to fight a legal case about the revocation of citizenship. The Nationality and Borders Bill has a long way to go before it becomes a law. As you can see, it has yet to go to the House of Lords in final stages that include royal assent. It would be interesting to see how this unravels and if any new proposals may come to light in the near future. Thanks for watching. This is Pia Krishnankutty for ThePrint. Do stay tuned. We'll be back soon with a brand new episode.